Good afternoon, YouTube Nation. This is Ron with RTR Gearheads. Just sending you guys an update on the Kawasaki ZX6RR. They get all the fuel out. We're working right now to clean out the tank. Get you guys a better picture of that in the future. But anyway, after removing the unit, we think we might have found the problem. A nice rusted fuel pump. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get that fuel pump on order, get it in here, clean up the inside of the tank, and if you look, you can see rust literally all around where the fuel pump goes into a little area for it to stay cool. So we'll be disassembling this, cleaning everything up, putting a new pump in, a new filter shock, probably a new pressure regulator also, and we will update you guys shortly. Again, thanks for watching. Up till now, you've watched a couple videos and some pictures on the 2003 ZX6RR. We have, as you saw in the pictures, completely rebuilt the fuel pump assembly. Prior to actually installing in the tank though, I do want to hook it up and just make sure that everything functions properly now. So we'll throw it in real quick. Keep in mind some water might squirt out and some cleaner. Okay, we've got prime. And we've got crank. So, with that being said, what we're going to do is go ahead and throw the unit in the tank, get everything buttoned back up, and here shortly we will have a video of us starting it up with it running, and hopefully get it out today and get a couple miles on the tank and get some fresh fuel run through there. Stay tuned and we'll have another video back up here shortly. Okay, and we're back. I just got done mounting the fuel sending units back in the tank. What we're going to do is go ahead and get this on. We're going to get about a gallon of fuel in there. And from there, we'll go ahead and crank it up and prime the pump and make sure that we can get fuel going and good to go with that. And under here, get the actual fuel line hooked up. This clips on, by the way. I want some clear. Go here, clip. There we go. And here goes the actual wiring. Okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna actually pour gas in the tank. I'm gonna take a pump. Some gas in make the best sense. Okay. So here, we'll go grab the jump box. It's sitting right now. Okay. I'm not going to put a full tank of gas in there, like I said. We're just going to go and put about a gallon in there. Make sure we can get it fired up. Use the jump box to do that. There's the old fuel. Like I said earlier, this is a good friend of mine, known him for many years. We deployed together. Loves riding his bike. Unfortunately, when he started riding it to work, he started associating his bike with his ride to work. So anytime he had off, he didn't want to ride his bike anymore because it reminded him of work. So what I'm going to do here is go ahead and I guess I'll just go ahead and fuel. I'll go ahead and just pour fuel in there instead of using the pump. There we go. Remember, I've got one good arm, so we'll see how this flies. Not too good. Bear with me here. Okay, so we have about a gallon of fuel in there. First thing I'm going to do is move the fuel tank away from the bike. I'm going to go ahead and see what we get. I have to prime it more than once. We go priming the tank. I'm also looking, make sure we don't have any fuel leaks. Pump out. Oh, shoot. Okay, everything is dry in there. Seems. Go ahead and put that in there just temporarily. See what we get here. Choke off. Starting running, and we're gonna let it run for a while and temperature warm up and possibly take her out for a ride. Be back in a little bit. Thanks for watching. I will tell you that was its maiden voyage, and the bike seemed to hold its own and do pretty good. I'm bound to get some more miles on it here shortly. When Junior gets off work, I'm gonna see if maybe he wants to go for a little ride, and we can get some miles on it, get the temperature up on it, and probably change on the oil a little bit also. But again, YouTube Nation, this is Ron with RTR Gearheads. And this is the 2003 ZX6RR up and running now and ready to go. So we just gotta get some miles on it and get some time test on it to make sure that it's good before we take it back. Hit that subscribe button, let us know what you think, like, and thanks for watching.